Welcome to our comparison of two popular power supply units, the Corsair RM750e and the MSI MAG A850GL. In this video, we will delve into their specifications, performance, and user experiences to determine which PSU reigns supreme. Both units are 80+ Gold certified and support the latest ATX 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 standards, making them excellent choices for modern gaming and computing setups. Let's get started. When it comes to power output, the MSI MAG A850GL takes the lead with its 850W capacity, making it suitable for high-performance builds that require more power. In contrast, the Corsair RM750e offers 750W, which is still adequate for most gaming and computing setups, but may limit future upgrades. If you're planning to run multiple GPUs or overclock your components, the additional wattage of the MSI MAG A850GL could be a significant advantage. Warranty is another important factor to consider. The MSI MAG A850GL comes with a generous 10-year warranty, providing peace of mind for users who want long-term reliability. On the other hand, the Corsair RM750e offers a 7-year warranty, which is still commendable but falls short of what MSI provides. A longer warranty can indicate greater confidence in the product's durability and performance. Finally, let's talk about price. The Corsair RM750e is priced at $99, making it a more budget-friendly option for those who don't need the extra wattage. In contrast, the MSI MAG A850GL is priced at $119, reflecting its higher capacity and longer warranty. Ultimately, the choice between these two PSUs may come down to your budget and specific power needs. In conclusion, both the Corsair RM750e and MSI MAG A850GL are excellent power supplies, each with its strengths. If you prioritize higher wattage and a longer warranty, the MSI MAG A850GL is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option with solid performance, the Corsair RM750e is a great choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.